This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Well, welcome to summer in West Michigan. This season is beginning with temperatures in the 90s.
Oh my gosh, I can hardly believe it.
It's not going to get cooler anytime soon. So we begin at 5 with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons with our 13 on your side forecast. Hey, George.
Yes, warmest day of the year, appropriately enough, on the first day of summer. This is the warmest temperatures we have had since 4.5 years ago, back in 2017, when it was very warm during Art Prize 2017. But it is warm enough out there right now. We have cooled off from our high of 95 down to 94 degrees, and that's about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time when we hit the upper 80s. But the dew points are very low. There's some wind out there, so we did not hit heat advisory criteria today. It did across the lake where it was over 100. That's what it felt like, but we've only been in the 90s. That's what it's felt like today. Heat advisory, however, is being extended until 10 o'clock tonight, despite not reaching heat advisory criteria here this afternoon. Lots of sunshine around the region. There are a few cumulus clouds off to our west. There's not a lot of water in the air, so even though we got a cold front coming on through, probably no rain at all with that cold front. It's just going to turn us not as hot next couple of days. 69, but still humid tonight, but less humid and not as hot tomorrow. We'll cool off by about 10 degrees, 85 degrees both tomorrow and again on Thursday. Lots of sunshine, lots of high clouds around on Friday and Saturday. Nonetheless, we'll crack the 90-degree mark once again, and then we'll cool off into the mid-80s again by Sunday. We'll take a closer look at when our next chance of rain will come, meaningful rain. That's coming up in a few minutes. Another hot day here in West Michigan, our warmest in almost 4.5 years, believe it or not, as we hit at least 95 today. Is it going to cool off anytime soon? And are we going to see any rain? Let's check the 13 weather ball. It is blue, not quite as hot weather in view coming up the next few days. And the air will be actually cleaner as a cold front goes through. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Yeah, hottest since 2017 in September. We made at least 95 here in Grand Rapids, 97 in Kalamazoo. Our record 98 came within 3 degrees of that infamous year of 1988 when it was just downright hot. It did match our actual forecast high of 95, and that is a bullseye here on your Tuesday. 5 days in a row where we've been on target within 3 degrees. With that, another hot day. We're now a ½ degree warmer for the month of June through the first 3 weeks. But look at that rainfall deficit, almost running 2 inches below average here in Grand Rapids. Most areas here in West Michigan, with the exception of Kalamazoo, have had a deficit for rain since the first of the month. We could use a little bit. There were a couple of those storms early this month up north where there is a surplus in Traverse City and Alpena and up around Sault Ste. Marie, but even a deficit up in Marquette. It is a dry state of Michigan. Lots of sunshine right now across the area, and it's going to stay that way pretty much for the next couple of days. There's a very weak cold front coming on through. You can see a few cumulus clouds right along that front. That front will come through virtually unnoticed overnight, but that's going to sweep out the really crummy air. Along that front, though, there is a chance, a very small chance of a thunderstorm popping up, and that's if these storms do develop. But if they do develop, they're expected to fall apart very quickly. We're going to run you through the forecast pretty quickly because there's really not a lot going on. Clear skies tonight, sunny tomorrow, clear tomorrow night, sunny on Thursday. A few more high clouds will come in on Friday and Saturday. Those are the tops of some dissipating showers, but one of those showers may get here Saturday night or early on Sunday. Models are just hinting at that. I'm thinking that we're going to stay dry not only all through the weekend, but into next week as well. In terms of rainfall, of course, really virtually nothing between now and Saturday night. And even if we do get some sprinkles of rain here in Grand Rapids, not amounting to much, best chance will be north of US 10. Forecast then for tomorrow, we're looking at sunny skies, lot better air quality, lower humidity, temperatures in the mid and upper 70s, Ludington and Hart, low 80s in Muskegon and Holland. That is running about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than today. Certainly cooler up north, low 80s along US 10, and here in Fremont, 84 in Greenville. Nothing but sunshine, a little bit breezier there than it will be in the southern zones. Mid 80s from 85 to 86 with nothing but sunshine and more comfortable humidity. 13 on your side forecast. 92 Friday, 91 Saturday, and 84 on Sunday. Virtually no chances of rain over the next 10 days or so. Next week will be pretty close to our average highs, maybe just a degree or 2 shy of that high of 81.